Hi everyone, I'm in a rainforest just outside Panama City, and I'm going to show you how to use rear curtain sync on your macro photography flash. I'm using the Canon macro twin light MT24EX macro flash, and it has two flash units in front of the 180mm macro lens. But I'm using the macro flash on rear curtain sync. The flash goes off at the end of the exposure. And I'm going to work with this heliconia flower, and I'm going to move the camera during the shutter speed, short movements up and down, and then the flash goes off at the end of the exposure. The first movements before the flash goes off creates a motion blur, and then we get some kind of sharpness with the flash at the end of the exposure. So let's see what I can do. So let's start. I have the heliconia there. Find the composition. I start moving the camera. Small movements up and down, and then I press the shutter. Try one vertical. So this was a short video on how you can use your macro flash on rear curtain sync and get more creative and abstract photos. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you soon in another video.